Did you know that there are hundreds of methods to lose weight? The thing is, nothing works the same. Some are plain, some are complex, some are unhealthy, and some are actually bad for your health. Before you jump on a crazy diet frenzy, there are actually some unusual, but effective tips that will help you shed off these nasty pounds faster. In this video, we are going to mention 6 easy ways to lose weight that you've probably never heard before. Number 1, smells bananas or apples. Yep, it may sound weird, but sniffing fruits like bananas and apples can actually decrease your appetite. We aren't sure how exactly this works, but there is evidence that the smell of food may trick your brain to feel satisfied, even if you don't eat much food. You might have noticed yourself, too, that when you spend a lot of time cooking, your appetite minimizes. Number 2, get blue. There are some color therapy theories where each color contributes to a certain effect, like for example, passion, tranquility, alertness, etc. Blue, apart from its tranquil and serenity-inducing properties, may help suppress appetite as well. This is probably the reason why you don't see many fast food joints that are blue. Of course, you don't have to paint your whole kitchen blue. Wearing blue and using blue items to decorate your kitchen, or blue food containers will add a dose of blue to help suppress your appetite, without changing your surroundings much. Number 3, drink warm water. Although most of us can't drink water unless it is chilled, some studies suggest that drinking hot water can help decrease the feeling of hunger and make us eat less. Number 4, eat in front of a mirror. Perhaps you are not realizing that you eat much, until you actually see yourself in the mirror. In case you don't want to eat like a pig and probably become a mess, hang a mirror in the wall opposite your table to observe yourself while eating. Number 5, use your cash to pay for food. Using credit cards doesn't only hurt your wallet, it can actually make you order more food as well. If you can't control how much you will pay, you will feel tempted to order more and of course eat more as a result. So next time you pay for a meal, ditch that credit card for real cash instead. Last but not least, eat with others. When we eat alone, we often go out of control and eat as much as we can, because no one else actually takes notice. On the contrary, when we eat with others, we tend to eat less, because we don't want to make the wrong impression. Thus, make it a habit to eat with others as much as you can, so you can't eat much. And if you are looking for a natural weight loss solution, I recommended you click the link in the description, www.relthies.co. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.